Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Got a really special video for y'all today because today Yvette is picking up her first Subaru. She's moving on from her old truck and picking up a 5th gen Subaru Impreza Hatchback. It's all black, and the really cool thing is she does want to customize it, build it up, make it her own. So the Fusion will have another friend on the channel. We do have a road trip ahead of us, but it should be pretty fun. So we made it here to Love's, and now Yvette is gonna get her first full tank of gas. We can't really tell the rating just because like whenever a vehicle's like on a lot, it's usually getting driven around, idled and everything. So the actual fuel economy is actually going up consistently as we keep going. But sorry, I parked kind of far. It's actually like way back here.
That's fine.
All right, she goes.
Goes.
How much do you think it's gonna cost to fill?
Honestly, I feel like, okay, keep in mind my truck would take like $50 to fill her, and this right now I think 3/4 of a tank. How much is left?
A little over half. 15. Wow.
15 for half a tank.
15 for half a tank. This is gonna be like 30 for a full tank. But one of the really cool things about this thing is that, as you can see right here, it's like finished in carbon fiber. And I'm pretty sure it's not like a factory thing, but it's still pretty cool that the previous owner did that.
So today I've bought 2 cars. This car, and I bought this little car.
It's a nice little 63 split window resto mod. So it's really cool. So
Yeah, I bought 2 cars today, and they were both black. Oh, I can do it from here.
Whoa, okay.
Okay, so let's search.
I like how we're so amazed by CarPlay. It's like
Like
something that's been out forever.
I like this.
Yeah. So as the car boyfriend, it's my job to help her find mods, buy her mods, and also install the mods, and she gets to take all the credit for it. So we got a few cool pieces coming on today that I ordered from subimods.com. I have the link down in the description box down below.
Ooh, that looks nice. Other one?
Just so she can go for the all blacked out look. Not really sure how they go on, but I imagine we have to at least remove the grill so we can actually get behind it for the front. So you see it has the adhesive back here, and then it has little tab thingies. So, ready to go?
Just let's go.
So there's a few options for them. You can kind of choose a color for the background and for the stars, but we do want to go for a blacked out look for this vehicle for the time being. So we're going to go for black background, black stars, and I think it'll look really cool. We're also going to debadge the car today as well. So we have a good bit of stuff to do, but looking forward to it. Also picked this up for Yvette. It's basically going to be her car toolkit, because you have some sockets, which is definitely gonna help a ton because you have both metric and standard. So you basically have the 10mm, which is gonna be necessary to remove the bumper, and then basically everything else that you would need.
Plus I needed tools, like I had nothing. I have one random Allen wrench from IKEA and a random screwdriver that I stole from my dad, and that's all I have.
So what I'm gonna be doing is removing the bumper so that we can get to the grill, pop off the grill. So the bumper, it's gone. And we actually got well, Yvette finished getting the grill off. So basically I took the bumper off, we took it upstairs, grill's off. And as you can see right here, we got the emblem. And so for the backside of this grill, you have those two little pins, but those actually don't do it. They just kind of hold it in position. It's still adhesive on the other side, so we gotta do the same thing and kind of get that off. But you can also take these little chrome pieces off, and that's actually what we're gonna be wrapping in the gloss black. So we'll have an entirely gloss black grill. And then over here in the back, Yvette was able to get basically she's done the full debadge. So this entire debadge is all Yvette, so props to her. And so she got the emblem off, basically some Goo Gone, some fishing wire, and you're good to go. Same thing over here. You can still tell it's a Subaru and it's all-wheel drive, but that's basically just the little residue left over. But nonetheless,
Almost there.
so the only emblems gonna have now are the black Subaru logos, which are gonna look really cool because they are pretty dark, so you actually can't see it unless you actually have some light on it. That's all the chrome, actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is essentially like also a chrome delete to an extent. So this is really exciting. All Alright guys, so the car is complete and honestly it's looking really, really good. So let me give you a little breakdown of what we did. So coming to the front, you can see that we actually did a little bit more. So we took out the grille, we did of course replace the emblem. So the new Subaru emblem looks really, really cool. I'm using the flashlight on my phone to kind of show that it's a dark gray black background and the black stars. But probably one of the better parts is that it actually has the mounting point in gloss black as well, as opposed to just kind of being like an overlay or something. This is actually a emblem replacement. But since I had the grille off, I went ahead and actually did a chrome delete on the surround piece and these little trim pieces right here. It actually came off pretty easily. We had some gloss black wrap left over in my trunk from my chrome delete, and this is actually the only chrome piece left on the car, so we did do a full chrome delete, even though it was just that, but it still counts. And then around the back, you can see this one a little bit more clearly.
It just has two little prongs. There's like not much. It was pretty easy, and I was able to leverage with the little pry tool to finally get it up a little bit, and then I just used fishing wire to get through the rest.
So both emblems are held on by adhesive. We did remove the paneling for like the hatch. Turns out you actually don't need to do that. You can actually just kind of go at this with the normal debadging process. So we essentially swapped the emblems, we debadged the car and gave it a chrome delete. So essentially three mods, but not really like mods because they all kind of tie in together. But nonetheless, really, really good start for this car because it has the full black on black scheme, which we definitely really like. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We have a ton of stuff planned for this car, so make sure to stay tuned and we will see you in the next one.